Imagine one thing. The DNA is found in single stranded form, right? With the single stranded DNA, life is almost impossible. Why? Okay, let's find out. Now see, DNA can be found in single stranded form and in double stranded form. But the single stranded form of DNA can only be found in virus. But starting from prokaryote, that is a bacteria, to humans or even elephants, DNA is always found in double stranded form. In nature, only viruses are the only organism they harbor single stranded DNA along with double stranded DNA, but single stranded DNA as a genetic material is only used in case of virus. Now coming to the reason behind this kind of evolutionary mechanism. Why are double stranded DNA more prominent in nature? Okay, let's find out. So the double stranded DNA that is found commonly in nature, that was discovered in 1953 by Watson and Crick, is due to one major reason, that is stability. So the double stranded DNA is actually very stable. You know one thing, DNA that can be transcribed into RNA, and RNA can be utilized for translation process. So RNA, that is a messenger RNA, in that case is a single stranded form, and that messenger RNA, upon completion of translation, it generally undergoes degradation. It says that mRNA, that is a single stranded form of nucleic acids, are almost unstable and they can be easily degraded by enzymes present in the cell. But the DNA in eukaryotes that is present inside the nucleus or even in the prokaryotes are almost stable because they have a double stranded structure. Their entropy are reduced. It means the free energy is reduced. That makes them very much stable. Second thing, they have a backup. As you know, one strand is almost complementary to the other strand. When one strand is almost complementary to other strand, if there are some errors or there are some mutations, then the other strand works as a reference strand for the DNA repair process. Even this kind of arrangements help in the process of replication and transcription. So that other strand is giving stability, support, as well as ace in transcription and translation. Okay.